It's the fashionable Hannah. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a basic nude sleeve makeup, like step by step. So hope you're gonna like this video. Let me know. I'm still trying to arrange my camera so you guys can see. Yep. And yeah, we can get started. The first thing I do, I actually prime my face. I didn't show you guys, but then I'm trying to brush my brows in an upward manner. Using a spoolie, I try to shape them and brush them. And I'm using Anastasia Beverly pomade to kind of like shape my brows. And yeah, take a little bit, and that's what I'm gonna use to draw my brows. And let's see how this is gonna turn out to be. Hope you guys can see. And I'm just shaping my brows in upward C manner. I start from the bottom, then I go to the top. You can't really see the top, but yeah, that's it. That's a closer. Can you guys see? And that's it. Once you get a good grip of it, boom, you're done. And then we just fill it in still with the Anastasia Beverly. Make sure you fill it in really good so it looks really dark. I'm trying to add more lighting so you guys can see. I'll add more lighting to my camera so yeah, we can get going. I think this better. So yeah, now let's continue. I'm just gonna fill my brows in. Keep filling till you get your taste and your shape. As you can see, my brows are already shaped really nice. Some people want to do more. I love it really darker, and I just make little strokes at the front. Yep. Boom. You're done. Yep. Now we'll do the other side, still taking Anastasia Beverly. And you can see I'm showing you both sides so you guys can get a grip of what I do on my brows. So you don't think I'll be telling you one thing and doing another thing. So yeah, I did the bottom, then the first, and connected it. Boom. You see, for me, this side even looks way much better. But guess what? They are not identical twins. You just want them to be shaped and looking really bomb ass. So yeah, and I make my mini strokes at the front again, as I told you. So yeah, pretty much that's it. And now we're going to conceal it. Easy peasy. I'm using really cheap stuff. Now I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro concealer in phone. And to conceal, so I start from the bottom. So, yeah. I actually have this that I put all my makeup stuff so as not to make a mess. So I put some paste of the concealer on that foundation plate. So, yeah. That's my concealer brush. It's Wet n Wild. I love their brush. It's so cheap, but yes, they do the job. And let's get it going. Guys see, I kind of start from 3/4 way going towards the back, and as you can see, makeup is patient, so I try to really shape my brows to my taste. And I I bring down, and I go now to the front and get the front well shaped. You guys can see what I'm doing. Boom. Hi guys, liking it. I think everything is going on well with this makeup tutorial. Yep. And I take my blending brush underneath my eyes and I try to blend everything out. I'm using a Real Technique brush, so yeah. It seems too much, but you have to set the base so as to put. Can you guys see how the brows are browing? Then for my top, I'm still gonna use LA Pro Concealer, but I'm gonna be using a shade just like my skin. So I'm not gonna do a lot of blending. It's just gonna melt into my skin. So let's see how this magic works. My edges are disturbing, but actually that brow is giving. That brow is giving. I'm telling you, you don't have to do too much. Take your time, and yeah, boom. Period. Yep. And then I'm gonna do the other side real quick, and let's get going. I just want you guys to really see. So it's still the same process I'm using for the other side, and I kind of conceal and blend everything in, and boom, brows are giving what's supposed to be giving. And once you're done with the brows, everything is easy. My brush was dry, so I cannot put setting spray on it. I'm using the Morphe foundation. This is light. I use it like for every day, so for me this is really good. And I put it on my entire face. As you can see, my face is already banging. Then I'm gonna conceal now underneath my eyes. No, sometimes I don't do on my forehead, and then I still blend out. Yep. And I'm using the Juvia's Place to contour. I kind of soften in my cheeks to get the contour really defined, and then I blend out. I put my blush, and that's the crayon case. It's bomb. I cannot put a lot, but you have to take so much time in blending. Do I love it? Yes, I do love it. Then I kind of bake my face. Everywhere I put concealer, so I bake my face. And then, yeah, I do my shadow. I'm still using the Juvia's palette, so I love that palette. It just melts into my skin. And then I contour my nose. I start from the bottom going up, so it can get really defined. Now it's blending time. Blend, blend, blend. So everything really blends out. You have to take time during this process and keep blending. Yep, I'm doing my wing, and boom. simple wing, and yep, I darken my under eye using a waterliner from NYX. And that's from the benefits. I love it. It defines my brows. I do my lips first before I do my lashes. And that's a chestnut pencil in MAC. I line it, and we're doing nude. So yeah, lipstick is still from Morphe, and I put a little bit of concealer to kind of like give it that nudish, and a little bit of lip shine. Keep blending for everything to come into place. I think boom, my makeup really looks fantastic, and I'm gonna do my lashes now. Kind of put like a highlighter underneath my eyes. I think I put a lot, but yeah, we're blending it out. So see this finished product. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And boom, those are bomb ass pictures I took from my look that night. How are you guys feeling this tutorial? Let me know what you learned. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me. It's your girl, the fashionable Hannah. Thank you guys. Bye.